Drawing a 3D closed cabinet is easy. If you follow me step by step and watch the video until the end, I'm sure you will be able to model this 3D cabinet very easily. I will share you the 3D model in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more video. Okay, first you will set up and you will see something like this. And this is the workspace. At the left hand side, it is the toolbar. You can see that there are so many tools that we use to design 3D. But believe me, we use just pictures. Okay. So in your Google SketchUp, when you open, and then you will see something like this toolbar, and then you will see the getting start here. I recommend you to take on the light tool set, okay, because it has so many toolbar that be easy to use. Okay, now I untick the getting start, and option here if you want to get small toolbar. Okay, here you can see that when you tick it become larger. Okay, now let getting start our model. Okay, the first I use the rectangle and shortcut key letter O. Okay, when you press letter O, okay, when you press space, okay, or space. Okay, now I use rectangle, so I put the specific number 600 and 3002, and then I press enter. Okay. After that, I use push and pull tool, shortcut key letter P. Okay, letter P to push up, and I put 3000. Enter. Okay, and this is the length and the height for the closed cabinet. Okay, and from here to here, I use the tape measure, shortcut key letter T. Okay, and I click one, and I drag up, and then I put the specific number 50. Okay. And then I use tape measure again, letter T, okay, or here, tape measure, put 1, and I want the distance 1100, press enter. Okay, this one are the same, 1100, press enter. Okay, so I use tape measure again to distance the thickness of the MC board, 30, enter, and on the top, come here, 30, enter again. And here are the same, 30, enter, here, inside 30, okay, here 30, enter. Okay, you can see that it's quick. Okay, so what tool I use next? I use rectangle, click 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. So this is what I need. Okay, now I push in. I use push and pull. Shortcut key letter P to push in. Okay, I put specific number 580. Enter. So when you push 580, and then Google SketchUp will know the story. When you double click, it will go to the same story. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, it's easy. Okay. Now I will group this model. So you can 1, 2, 3. Or you can select drag from left to right. Okay, if you drag from the right to the left, it select all. If you drag from the left side to the right, okay, it click on the object, and then I right click, make group. The reason why I make group, because it's easy to apply the material or to copy to move. Okay, so next up, I use tape measure, press letter T again, put here, I put specific number 600. Okay, so I drag up 30. It is the thickness of the MC board. Okay, so I use rectangle, press letter O. Okay, and I use push and pull tool again. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay, now I want to copy this panel to the middle. So I'm going to do is because I know from here to here 600. Okay, so now I use move tool to move, and then I press Control to copy. Okay, and then you put the specific number 300. Okay, now I want to select 1, 2. So then I select 1. I press Control. You see that the mark on the mouse. Okay, so I click this one. So we have the multiple select, and I use move tool to move here. Okay, and press Control. Okay, again, press Control again. Okay, from in the middle, because of the different link, so you can see that it come out. So click 1, Control, click 2, and press letter S. Okay, letter S, and you can see that the middle point. You can see that. Yeah, click here and put here. Okay, so now it's great. Or you can find it on here. Okay, yeah. Okay, now what I need to do next? I just type measure again. T, letter T, don't forget. Yeah, if I press letter T, it will pop up in here. Okay, so you need to note if you don't understand. Okay, so I use T, 990. Okay, and I copy. To copy, we use move tool. Okay, I just click 1 and press Control. Okay, so next up we install the drawer of the cabinet. Okay, I use the letter T, tape measure, to drag up 200. Enter. Okay, now I use the rectangle tool. 1, 2, and I use push tool to push in here. Okay, going to put the thickness of the MC wood 20. Okay, and here 30, 30, and 20, 20, and 20. Okay, so now I use the rectangle. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, and here. Sorry. Okay, and this one I don't need. Okay, so I just click on this one, and I use the follow me. Okay, it will automatically cut. Okay, this one is also I click the line here. You can see that the line here one, and I click on follow me. Okay, and this one I use push and pull, and I push in because up to 200, so I push in 180. Okay, and I use erase tool here. Okay, to erase the line that I don't want. The reason that I erase, okay, I will tell you. If I want to push down all here, so I need to push down one by one because it is cut by the line. Okay, so that's why we need to link it together. So we just erase the line. Okay, use erase tool. Okay, yeah. Now when I want to push down, 330. Okay, everything is good. 3 time click, 1, 2, 3, right click, make growth. Okay, so what I need to do next? I think that it will have the small gap, so I put it 2. Okay, I put it 2, and then I move it. I use the move tool. Okay, click 1, and then press Control. Okay, and then we put letter H to time. So I want to time 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this one I use tape measure tool again. I put 2, and I copy it again. I use move tool. Okay, move. Click 1, Control, press Control. Okay, to copy, and here. But in this drawer, and we put a small thing, so it is small. So I use scale tool. So press click 1 and click here, scale tool, and you see the middle point. Click here and where you want to go. Okay, here. Great. Okay, now I put the handle. Here we go. I use the handle 150 and this one 150. Okay, and from here to here, okay, 25, and the handle okay, here. So I use the rectangle. I just push and pull, put specific number 15. Okay, so now I need to cut it. I use this tool, I put it in 7, and here 4 again. So I use the pencil. Okay, pencil again. Okay, click on the line here and go to Flow Me. Okay, here again, line here, Follow Me. Okay, I just 1, 2, 3, click, right click, make group. Okay, click 1, use move tool. Oh, click 1, use move tool here. Okay, press Ctrl again, press Ctrl again. Okay, press Ctrl again. Okay, now you see that all guideline it looks so bad. So now go to edit and delete all guideline. Okay, now click 1, Control, click 2, right click, make group. Click 1, Control, click 2, make group. Okay, 1, 2, make group, 1, 2, make group. Okay, now I want to group it together. 1, Control, 2, 3, 4, 5, right click, make group, and then I copy here. Then I use smooth tool. Okay, click 1, press Control. Okay, oh, this one, press move again, press Control. Okay, okay, in the middle I want the wood in the vertical. Okay, so now I use tape measure again. 1, click on the middle. Okay, so the thickness of this wood 30, so I want this side 15, this side 15. Okay, together 30. Okay, I use rectangle. Okay, here I use push and pull tool, letter P, to drag up. Okay, and then I 3 times click, make group. Okay, now, so now I copy this panel down, use move tool, press Ctrl again. Okay, 1200. Okay, and then I divide it in 4. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. I divide it in 4. In 4. Okay, so you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. When you copy and you put the symbol of divided and you put number 4, so it will give you 4. Okay, now it's good, and you can see here. So you see the line here. If you don't want to see the line here, follow me. Just click 1, press Control. Okay, you can multiple select, and then right click, make group. Okay, and what you need to do next, and you use the scale tool, letter S, and here scale tool. You see that the point in the middle, drag it here. So okay, and then you copy it, press move tool, 1, press Control. Okay, it's great. If you want to make the animation, and you need one tool, it's called the DBS tool. Okay, here DBS tool, and you can download free. Okay, and you go to the extension warehouse, and then you put here DBS move. So and then you will see DBS Move here. Okay, free download, just click on it and you download it for free. Okay, install it, and then you will see it in the extension here, DBS Move, and you can go to the view toolbar and you can see the DBS Move. Okay, here. Okay, so with DBS Move, and you can do like this, the animation. When you click on here, and now it works on group, but it is the one group. I want to explode it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it works on the group. So now click this one here, and you go to the setting. So this drawer is slide. Okay, it is not hanging. So you slide. So they ask you the axis. So the slide from here. Okay, so you need to select the line, the line from here, the red line. So select here. Okay, and then you right click on it and DBS Move to close. Okay, and then you choose pen here, right click to open. Okay, so now when you use this 1, 2, okay, see 1, 2. Okay, now I get this. Okay, it's great tool and you should try this one here. So if you want to copy, so now I delete it and then I copy from here, because okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, now the one more thing, the hanging, and I use the cycle here, 20. Okay, letter P to push here, make group, and then copy letter M. Okay, press Ctrl. Okay, good, go. Now it is the final, you can see. Okay, great to see. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to download this 3D model in the comment. Okay, thank you. See you next time.